Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's second online session of chapter number 9. And as you know already, the name of our chapter number 9 is Halls and Quarters. In our previous lecture, we see some stories regarding halls and quarters, and after that we do some activity regarding that story. Now today also we are going to see some another topic of chapter number 9 and see the story and solve their puzzle with the help of activity. So first your topic is how half of many pieces. In that what you have to do? You have to do the half of any things and then after from that half, you have to do the many pieces. Your second topic is many shapes from a half shape. In that, what you have to do? You have to take the half sheet of any shape and then you have to make the different type of shapes from it. Third topic is many ways to cut into half. If you want to cut any of the shape, then there are many ways. That all ways you have to see today in this activity. Then after many ways to make quarters. If you want to make the quarters, then there are many different ways to make the quarters. So this all thing we are going to see with the help of one small activity. And the last topic is cutting the cake. In this, what you have to do? You have to do, they were given one cake to you and you have to just solve the questions regarding that cake. So let us start our first topic of today's. And our first topic is half of many pieces. See here, Rani got a chocolate. One girl is there. She got one chocolate. So now you can see here in this chocolate how many pieces are there? Here one whole chocolate and there are 8 pieces of this chocolate. Now she divided it equally. Equally means the same. Now Rani divided this chocolate equally and gave half to her friend Reena. Now what is doing Rani? Rani just divide this chocolate equally means in the same portion and gave half of the chocolate to her friend Reena. Now see here, this is one bar of the chocolate that we have to assume that. Now we are just doing the 8 equal parts of this chocolate. So here, these are the 4 equal parts of this chocolate and another 4 part of this chocolate like this. And you can see these all parts are equal parts. So now we divide this one bar of chocolate into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now, Rani gave half of this part to her friend Reena. So here we can say that this pink part is given to Reena. So now how many part is remaining with Rani? So we can say there are 4 remaining part. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 remaining part which is remaining, which is left with Reena. So your first question is that how many pieces of chocolate are there? How many pieces we are doing of this chocolate? We are just doing 8 equal parts of this chocolate. And how many pieces were left with the Rani? So we can say that 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 pieces are left with Rani. Let us start our next topic of this chapter. And the name of our next topic is Many Shapes from a Half Sheet. In this, what you have to do? You have to do one half of any of the shape, and then from it you have to make the different shapes. So see here what you have to do first. You have to take one piece of the paper and then you have to cut that sheet. Here the sheet is considered as the paper. Then you have to cut that paper into two equal triangles. Of each triangle is equal to the half of the sheet. You have to take first one piece of the paper and then you have to just make one half, and that half, the shape of that half should be triangle. And how you have to make that triangle? That each triangle is 2 equal of the half sheet. So let us see this with the help of one activity. Now let us begin. Many shapes from a half sheet. So see here, this is one sheet. Now we have to cut this sheet into two equal triangles. So when we have to cut the sheet into two equal triangles like this. So you can see here, this is the two equal pieces of one paper. Otherwise you can take this type of paper and just bend its diagonal. So you have to just bend like this. So you can see here, this is the two equal part of this one sheet, and that these both triangles are equal. So now what you have to do? You have to make the different shapes using this two triangle. So see here, this is the first shape. It looks like rhombus. It looks like kite. This is the first shape. Now the another shape. This is the two equal parts of a triangle. You can see in this image. This is the second shape and the third shape. This is the square shape. You can make the different shapes using half sheet of triangle. Now let us start our next topic of this activity. In this, what you have to do? Here you have to study. There are the many ways to cut into half. If you want to do half of the any object, then there are different ways. If you want to cut any shape into half, then there are many ways to cut it. So let us see with the help of one activity. So first you have to tell in how many different ways you cut any shape into half. If you want to cut any shape, then there are how many ways. So you can see in this image there are many different ways to cut into half. So let us see. Now your another one is many ways to cut into half. So just see here in our previous activity, we are just doing the two equal parts of one square shape. So the first way is that just if you want to do two equal parts, then just opposite vertices joins each other. So the shape of that is look like triangle. Now another way to make a half. So see here, if you want to make just in a standing line, you just fold that thing. So here you can see also, here it is two equal parts of this sheet. Now the another one is that you can, if you want to cut it's like horizontal as well as you can fold it like the vertical. So there are the different ways, and when you fold this thing into different style, the shape of that is different. If you are just joining its diagonal, then the shape of that thing is triangle. If you just fold its side, then the shape of that thing is rectangle. So there are the different ways. So the first way we can say that horizontally, second one is the vertically, and third one we can say by its diagonal. You can make the different half. Let us see our next topic of chapter number 9, and the name of our next topic is many ways to make quarters. Now do you know what is the meaning of quarters? Quarters means you have to make 4 equal parts. Now let us see with the help of one activity in how many ways you can cut any of the shape into quarters. So here you have to take any of the shape and make 4 equal parts of that shape. So let us see. Now let us start our new one. How to make a quarters. Quarter means you have to make the 4 equal parts of this sheet. So as you know already, by vertically and by horizontally we divide into 2 equal parts. Now if you want to make a quarter, then just fold it again. If you are just fold it again, the shape is cut into 4 equal parts. So see here, you can see there are the 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what is the shape of this sheet? The shape of this sheet is square. This is the first and second way to make one quarter of one whole sheet. Now what is the another one? Another way, you just cross its diagonal and make 2 equal triangles, and then again just fold that triangle. So you can see here there are the 4 different triangles of this sheet. So here this is the second way to make the quarters. Let us see the next and the last topic of this activity. Now the name of the topic is cutting the cake. Here Rajni's father bought a cake for her. You can see here the image of the cake. Now this cake Rajni's father bought for her. When he bought a cake for her, she divided that cake into 4 equal parts, and these 4 equal parts for herself, for her brother Raju, and her father and mother. So let us solve some question regarding this cake. Let us begin. Now cutting the cake. This is our piece of the cake. Now you have to divide that. You know that the Rajni's father bought a cake for her, and after that she divide that cake into 4 equal parts. One part for her father, the second part for her mother, third part for Rajni, and the fourth part that is for her brother. The name of her brother is Raju. So see here, this is the part of her father, this is the part of her mother, then here it is the part for Rajni, and here it is the part for Raju. So this is for father, this part is for mother, this part for Rajni, and the last part that is for Raju. Now what happened? You can see here, everyone get one part of this cake. How many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And one part for her father. So he get 1 upon 4. Why? Here I am write down 4. Because of this cake we are doing 4 equal parts. That's why that we have to write down in the denominator. And the part which he taken. The part which he get, that we have to write down in the numerator. So the father get 1 upon 4th part. Also mother get 1 upon 4th. Rajni get 1 upon 4th part. And Raju get 1 upon 4th part. Now her mother gave her share. Her mother gave her share to Rajni. What her mother is doing? Her mother gave her part to Rajni. Now, Rajni get how many part of this cake? Rajni get 2 parts of this cake. So, Rajni get 2 upon 4 part of this cake. Now, before Rajni mother gave her share to Rajni, she had only 1/2 of the cake, which was 1/4 of the total cake. Now, before she is giving her share to Rajni, they were doing just only half part. So, see here, 1/2 part and here it is 2 part. So, you can see here, 2 1/4 makes 2 quarter makes 1/2 part.
Thank you. I hope you like my work and you all understand these all topics very nicely and clearly.